This is what I've been waiting for, an early spring and the canola fields are out in bloom. Worth taking a plane up and capturing it. Well, the road might be closed, but not the runway. Let's try and turn the sprays on. Whoops there. Now here's the little spot I've got to bring it into on the road. Flaps down, tight little landing spot, but it should handle it well. The wind coming straight down the road. Cheers. So we get the tail section. So you can see the cameras on the side to capture the wing surface area. And she goes over a lake. A bit of a battery warning here. I've got 2 more of these batteries on order, including a 450. So I'm hoping that will be a little stronger, especially with the micro Draco. Oh. thanks very much for watching, everyone. Hope you've enjoyed the UMX Air Tractor over the Canola. It worked beautifully well, and what a perfect day to fly this in. And we look forward to seeing you on the next video. Have a great week, everyone. Bye now.